Today's roundtable discussion focuses on AI and daily dietary health, and how AI can bring more exciting changes and upgrades to our lives. In terms of advances in nutritional science and research, we're now primarily entering the era of precision nutrition. Like other industries, nutritional science must embrace AI, leveraging it to empower and advance our field. Nutrition is highly personalized. Everyone's nutritional and health status differs. We need to effectively assess individual daily energy requirements and build a database of personalized needs. Supply database. Food companies should innovate by analyzing consumer needs and creating tailored solutions, utilizing advanced smart devices and AI-driven systems to capture precise demand data at the endpoint. The future demands more precise targeting with flexible and personalized production and development. Today, it's not just about eating well and conveniently, it's about eating healthy. In China, I feel the farm-to-table food chain spans a lengthy process that currently lacks balanced development. Often, supply and demand are misaligned, leading food companies to produce items that may not meet consumer expectations in taste, portion size, or overall consumption trends across the chain. What consumers want might be beyond the capability of domestic companies or even global enterprises to produce. This contradiction reflects a stage where productive forces have evolved into the AI era, but production relations haven't kept pace with technological advancement. As a pioneering tech company, we strive to bridge the critical food connection gap in this transformative AI era. By leveraging cutting-edge AI algorithms and advanced technology, we aim to simplify access to food for everyday people, ensuring convenience and innovation. WonderChef's primary mission is to use AI technology to connect nutritional science and premium food suppliers with end consumers. As a tech company, we focus on ensuring food safety, health, taste, and convenience for the public. Beyond business interests, we're creating a platform in this AI era that serves both the public and supply chain enterprises. The arrival of the AI era will undoubtedly bring more new changes to our daily lives, even transformative ones.